Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to Kaspa video update today. So even though Kaspa had this move and the greens out there, I still don't think we're looking for any push up. I still think this technical target eventually has to be met. Now reason being is you can see that you pumped up, but you are pumping right back to the resistance. Okay, boom. So you came down, you made the bear flag right over there, you pushed down. Now even though you didn't meet, you were close to the technical target, okay, you came very near the target, you can see right there, but in the middle you actually pushed to the upside. But you can see that now this was a support support here, went down, has turned into a resistance. That's what you have to understand. It still doesn't mean that we're pushing up from here, especially now that at the resistance you've made a bearish candle as well. One green and the one red, almost like a bearish engulfing, means reversal and you're looking for a move down. You can still try to trade it again and try to put a stop loss maybe up here and try to ride it all the way to the downside. I still believe we're looking for that one technical target, this to be touched, because people may think that, oh, we've retested and we're trying to move up again. I think it's more like a bait at the moment, because it didn't. And on the daily I get even another bait, and that is oh yeah, but we do have a bullish engulfing. Now I'm going to entertain this idea. Yes, it's a bullish engulfing, but I'm very doubtful, because the bullish engulfing has been made out of nowhere. If you look at this, you just made it right over there. It should have been right over here, okay, this 0.039. Another reason for that one is the following. Okay, I'm just going to turn off the logarithmic scale and I want to show you the fib retracement. Okay, so I'm gonna go take the fib retracement here, take that bottom here to the top right over there, and as you can see that 0.0618, we are currently holding the 0.5 in that case. Yeah, so it does make a little bit of sense. And for me personally, I was looking for this technical target, and that was the golden ratio at 0.618, which is 39571. But have you met it? No, you haven't really met it. Now let me give you the idea of when this candle is going to be in play. My personal take about the candle is on the 4-hour time frame, and this is going to be a little bit tricky, because the 4-hour time frame still suggests that we have a problem, and unfortunately you came down, you made a pattern, you have a technical target to go down to that pattern technical target, which is 39 something, right, which you haven't met. You're nearly there, but you haven't really touched it. And in the middle of nowhere you came here, you pump back up, but whatever was support there is now resistance right over here, right? So if you do get rejected and you're not looking to come above here, if you do come above and take that bear flag as well, the bullish engulfing on the daily is going to be in play, if it makes any sense, because now this bearish pattern is still in play, okay, on the 4-hour time frame. So a pattern to me is much more stronger than one single candlestick. Okay, it is what it is. I mean, yes, on the daily you do have a bullish engulfing, I get the point, but on the 4-hour time frame you have a whole pattern. This on the scale is heavier than just one candle. But if that candle has to be heavy, we have to destroy the pattern first itself, right? So these are just small technical details that I do teach in my course. Yeah, if you don't know, yes, I do have a course which is 18 hours long, and I can give you on a discount if you want to pay with crypto. So do message me on Twitter as well. Link is in the description of the video, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.